Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to create drop-down lists in Google Sheets. To do this, you just need to go to the table in the Google Sheets where you want to create this drop-down list. Select the place where you want to insert this drop-down. For example, I want to insert it here, and after that go to data, and after that data validation, and after that click on add rule, and here be sure to select drop down as criteria, and after that you can add, for example, here 1 2 3, and as second option 4 5 6, or anything that you want. Test, for example, and this I will add test. You can choose the color of it too. For example, I will choose this color and choose this color, and after that, when you came here and want to select from that drop down, as you can see, you have the two options that we added here, the 1 2 3 and the 4 5 6. You can choose any one from them, and of course you can after that copy this drop down and put it in any other place in your document. And of course, after you complete working, you click done. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.